Meat. It's a staple in many of our diets, and one of its most iconic forms is the beloved hamburger. Behind the scenes of your favorite fast food joints and grocery store aisles lies a fascinating world of mass meat production, where burgers come to life. Burgers have become an iconic and beloved food worldwide, and understanding the intricate steps involved in their production can provide valuable insights into the food industry. Today, we're delving into the world of mass meat production, specifically focusing on the fascinating process behind making hamburgers. In this video, we'll explore the detailed journey that takes place behind the scenes, from sourcing the burger meat to packaging the final product. So grab a seat and let's uncover the secrets of hamburger production. Our journey into hamburger production starts with the careful sourcing of meat. Meat processing plants receive their raw materials from various suppliers, including ranches, farms, and slaughterhouses. The primary meat used in hamburger production is typically ground beef, which can be sourced from different cuts of meat, such as chuck, sirloin, or round. These cuts are selected for their specific fat-to-lean meat ratios, which contribute to the burger's flavor and texture. Before any meat enters the production process, it undergoes rigorous inspection and quality control measures. Trained personnel examine the meat for freshness, appearance, and adherence to safety standards. Any meat that doesn't meet these criteria is promptly rejected to ensure the final product's quality and safety. Once the meat passes inspection, it's time for grinding. Large grinding machines play a pivotal role in the hamburger production process. These machines are responsible for breaking down large cuts of meat into smaller, uniform particles, and the extent of grinding is a crucial factor that directly impacts the texture of the burger patty. Meat is loaded into the hopper of the grinding machine, which feeds it into a series of sharp blades or grinding plates. These blades rotate at high speeds, effectively mincing the meat into smaller pieces. The size of the holes or openings in the grinding plates determines the fineness of the grind. Some producers prefer a coarse grind for their hamburger meat. This means that the meat particles are relatively large and uneven in size. Coarse ground meat gives the patty a more rustic and textured feel. It provides a distinct chewiness and a sense of individual meat strands, which can be appealing to those who enjoy a heartier, traditional burger experience. This texture also allows the meat to retain more of its natural juices, contributing to a juicier patty when cooked. On the other hand, other producers opt for a finer grind. In this case, the meat particles are much smaller and more consistent in size. A fine grind results in a smoother and more homogeneous patty. It offers a different mouthfeel with a softer, melt-in-your-mouth texture. The fine grind is often chosen for fast food-style burgers, where uniformity and ease of cooking are prioritized. It allows for quick and even cooking, ensuring that the patty is fully cooked while maintaining a consistent taste and texture. The choice of grind isn't fixed and can vary based on the preferences of the producer and the type of burger being created. Some burger blends even combine meat that has been ground to different levels to achieve a specific texture and flavor profile. It's all about finding the right balance to meet the desired taste and texture criteria. Regardless of the chosen grind, quality control is essential during the grinding process. Maintaining a clean and sanitary environment to prevent contamination is crucial to ensure the safety of the final product. Additionally, temperature control is essential to prevent the meat from overheating during grinding, which could negatively affect the meat's quality. After grinding, the meat is typically mixed and seasoned. This step adds flavor and ensures that seasonings are evenly distributed throughout the meat. Common seasonings include salt, pepper, and sometimes additional ingredients like onion or garlic powder. The seasoning mixture is carefully measured to maintain consistency and taste across batches. After the meat is seasoned to perfection, it's moved to the patty formation stage. Specialized machines are employed for this task. The goal is to create patties that are consistent in size, shape, and thickness. The machine typically consists of a conveyor belt or a rotating drum where the meat is fed. Uniformity is key when shaping burger patties. The machine ensures that each patty is of the desired size and thickness, which is essential for consistent cooking and portion control. This uniformity is particularly crucial for mass production, whether for fast food chains or retail packages. Special care is taken to handle the meat gently during the patty formation process. Overpacking or overworking the meat can negatively affect the patty's texture. Overpacking can result in a dense, tough patty, while overworking can lead to an overly compacted and less juicy burger. To prevent this, the machines are designed with mechanisms that apply just the right amount of pressure to shape the patties, without squeezing or compacting the meat excessively. Once the patties are formed, they are typically sent directly to the packaging area. Here, they are packaged using automated systems to maintain freshness and safety. The packaging can vary depending on the intended use of the patties. Some burger patties are individually wrapped in plastic or wax paper. This packaging style is common in retail settings where consumers purchase patties for home cooking. Individually wrapped patties offer convenience and portion control. For the food service industry, such as fast food chains or restaurants, patties are often packaged in bulk. They may be separated by parchment paper or another non-stick material to prevent sticking. Bulk packaging streamlines the preparation process in commercial kitchens. Regardless of the packaging style, labeling is an essential part of the process. Labels provide crucial information such as the product's name, weight, ingredients, nutritional facts, and handling instructions. This information is not only required for regulatory compliance, but also helps consumers make informed choices. Packaging can vary from individually wrapping each burger to placing them in bulk packaging for restaurants and retailers. The packaging process is designed not only to preserve the freshness of the product, but also to showcase the brand and provide important information such as ingredients and nutritional facts. Once packaged, the burgers are ready for distribution. They are transported to various outlets, including fast food restaurants, supermarkets, and food service providers. Maintaining a well-organized distribution system is essential to ensure that consumers can enjoy their favorite hamburgers conveniently and reliably. In recent years, the meat production industry has been actively working on sustainability efforts. This includes initiatives to reduce water and energy consumption, minimize waste, and implement more eco-friendly packaging solutions. Sustainable sourcing of meat is also a priority for many producers. Before we wrap things up, here are some interesting facts about burgers that you might not already know. Americans are known for their love of burgers.
Love burgers.
On average, it's estimated that Americans consume around 50 billion burgers each year. May is celebrated as National Burger Month in the United States, and May 28th is recognized as National Burger Day. During this time, burger lovers and restaurants often host special events and promotions. The world record for the largest hamburger ever made was set in 2012. It weighed a whopping 2,014 pounds, 914 kilograms, and was cooked in Minnesota, USA. And there you have it, a glimpse into the complex world of mass meat production, specifically the hamburger-making process. From sourcing the finest cuts of meat to carefully crafting and packaging each burger, it's an intricate journey that ensures the burgers we know and love are consistently delicious and safe to consume. We hope you found this insight into the hamburger production process informative and enlightening. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more engaging content. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll catch you in the next video.